In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a layer in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design where the object or element you want to hide is already placed. This could be text, an image, a shape, or any other editable item in your project. Once your project is open, go over to the right-hand sidebar and click the layers icon. It looks like two stacked squares. This will open the layer list, which helps you see all the elements in your design more clearly. If your project has a lot of objects, using the layer list can make it much easier to find exactly what you want to work with. Next, select the object you want to hide. You can either click it directly on the canvas or choose it from the layer list if that feels easier. After selecting the target object, look to the left panel and find the opacity setting. Click on opacity and then lower it all the way down to 0%. As soon as you do that, the object will disappear from view. This is a useful way to hide something temporarily without deleting it. So if you're testing different layouts, comparing design options, or just cleaning up the canvas while you work, lowering opacity to 0 is a simple and effective method. If you want to bring that layer back later, just select the same object again and raise the opacity back up. As you slide it upward, the object will become visible again. You can restore it fully or leave it partially transparent, depending on the effect you want. If needed, you can also click Lock from the top menu. This is helpful when you want to prevent hidden or finished elements from being moved by accident. Locking is especially useful in more detailed projects where it's easy to click the wrong item while editing. Just keep in mind that locking helps protect the element's position, while opacity controls whether you can see it. So the key idea here is simple. Open the Layers panel, select the object, reduce the opacity to 0 to hide it, and increase the opacity again whenever you want it back. If you want extra control, use the lock option to keep important elements from shifting. And that's it. That's how to hide a layer in Adobe Express.